Have you ever wondered what a tomato looked like before it became the tomato on your plate? I never really thought about it. For me, tomatoes just appeared in salads, sandwiches, and pasta sauce. But that changed one afternoon, when my mom invited me to visit her vegetable garden. My mom spends a lot of time there. Every morning, she walks outside with a watering can and checks on her plants like they are old friends. She trims leaves, loosens the soil, and quietly inspects everything growing in the garden. One day, she told me to come take a look and said that the garden was waking up, so I followed her outside. At first, I noticed the papaya tree standing tall in the corner, with small green papayas hanging underneath the leaves. Next to it were rows of cabbage, with their round heads tucked tightly inside layers of green leaves. There were also green onions, peppers, and a few herbs that filled the air with a fresh garden smell. Then my mom pointed to a small section of soil and told me that this was where the tomatoes begin. I leaned closer and saw something tiny. They were seeds. That was when she explained the secret life of a tomato, starting from germination. She explained that it all begins with a seed planted in the soil. The seed absorbs water and starts to grow roots downward. Then a sprout pushes upward toward the sunlight. Finally, leaves appear, and the plant grows taller and stronger. I watched as she gently dug around a seedling. She said it was amazing and explained that everything starts so small, but with sunlight, water, and care, it grows into something amazing. From there, the tomato continues its journey. The sprouts slowly develop into a tomato plant and stretch their leaves toward the sunlight. After a while, the plant produces small yellow flowers. The surprising part is that those flowers turn into tomatoes. At first, the tomatoes are small and green, almost like little marbles hanging from the vine. Day by day, they grow larger and begin to change color. They turn from green to orange and then to bright red. Eventually, they become the tomatoes we pick and eat. But the story does not end there. Inside every tomato are seeds, which means the entire cycle can begin again. As we walked around the garden, my mom showed me other plants growing quietly through their own life cycles. The cabbage leaves slowly wrap tighter into a round head. The papaya fruit gets bigger under the tropical sun. Even the herbs grow back after being trimmed. Standing there, I realized something I had never noticed before. Every vegetable in that garden started small. It began as just a seed in the soil. With sunlight, water, and a little patience, it becomes the food we eat every day. So now, whenever I slice a tomato for a sandwich, I do not just see a tomato. I see the entire journey from a tiny seed in the garden to the plate on my table. And honestly, it makes the tomato taste even better.